Hi and welcome to the Grand Series by Asia One Magazine and URS Media, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21. Through this series, we attempt to showcase the awe-inspiring success stories of some of the eminent brands and leaders from all over the world who have contributed immensely towards the growth of world economy. The upcoming category is Asia One Global Leader of the Year 2020-21 and Asia One Women Empowerment Principles Leadership 2020-21. The awardees in this category are Mr. Mark Lett-Flumstone, founder and CEO Avenues, as Asia One Asian Youth Empowerment Leader of the Year 2020-21.
Oh, say one? I can't hear you. One? Then? Then? Oh, very good. I'll give you a round of applause.
Thank you, Asia One Magazine, for this meaningful honor and tribute to life coaching and soft skills development in northeastern India. This award for the Asian Youth Empowerment Leader of the Year for 2021 is a complete surprise and something unexpected for our team. On behalf of our team, on behalf of the life coaches, the community trainers, and the many stakeholders in our ecosystems across the region, thank you. Over the course of 2 decades of work, Avenues has built resilient interventions that allow young people to discover confidence, to improve their emotional well-being, and to build on their aspirations as they head on to embrace the challenges of life. There has never been a more important time for the integration of life coaching that helps young people unlock their own answers to their own problems. Soft skills that helps to build competencies for life and careers, and new normal coaching that allows young people to understand that education just isn't what it used to be. If an education is meant to be effective, it is meant to build your capability for life. In our experience, life coaching, soft skills, and confidence building through emotional resilience is the way of the future. As humanity embraces a pandemic and uncertain times, and as India heads into a vibrant future led by the ideals of a Make in India paradigm, our youth must be empowered with the mindsets, with the confidence, and with the value systems that are a significant part of where our country will be in the next 10 years. We will continue to strive to impact the many lives of tribal youth in our country who have little or no access to quality education. We will continue to strive for the improvement of human progress through interventions that build confidence, self-worth, and aspiration. We look forward to your support and wish the magazine and its stakeholders and all our fellow awardees the very best.
So those were some awe-inspiring success sagas of prominent brands and leaders of Asia, Middle East and Africa. Goodbye and thank you for watching.